Here's the thing about catalytic converter covers. You probably don't think about them until you wake up one morning, start your car, and it sounds like a monster truck rally. That's the catalytic converter. Gone. Usually stolen for the precious metals inside. The crazy part is, replacement can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000, and that's just for most sedans. If you drive a Prius or a truck, you might as well take out a second mortgage. And insurance? Good luck with that deductible. Why are these things such a hot target? It turns out catalytic converters contain rhodium, platinum, and palladium. Rhodium alone goes for $10,000 an ounce. That's more valuable than gold. Thieves aren't exactly known for turning down easy money. So naturally, the solution floating around is to install a catalytic converter cover. It's basically a metal shield that bolts over your converter and makes it way harder and noisier to steal. Ideally, thieves see it and move on to the next easier target. Let's talk pain points here. First, most people have no idea which shield actually fits their car or even where their catalytic converter is. Not to mention, YouTube DIY install videos always feature a guy with 80 wrenches and a perfect garage. That's rare. Here's how you actually get it done. Step 1. Identify which shield works with your car. You'll need your make, model, and year. Most companies list compatibility, but double-check, otherwise you're stuck returning a chunk of steel the size of a surfboard. Step 2. Gather your tools. Almost always, you'll need a socket set, drill, and ideally a jack and jack stands for proper clearance. Laying on your back under a car is not for the faint of heart. Pro tip, wear safety goggles or get a metal shaving in your eye. Step 3. Jack up the car, safely and securely. If you're not confident, find a friend or even a local shop. During installation, hold up the shield, line up the bolt holes, and start locking it in. Some require drilling into the frame. Some bolt to existing points. This part takes a bit of muscle and patience. The average install is 45 minutes to an hour if you have everything ready. That's less time than filing a police report or waiting on a tow truck after a theft. Efficiency matters. Once installed, the shield doesn't just physically protect your converter. Most thieves check for these things. If they see a cover, 90% of the time, they just walk away. They're looking for a fast score, not a 10-minute battle with a hunk of steel. Maintenance is low-key. Every oil change, just glance at the cover to make sure it's still tight. Sometimes bolts can rattle loose, especially after potholes or rough roads, but that's a 2-minute fix and way less hassle compared to catalytic converter theft. Can you still have your converter stolen with a cover? Sure, anything is possible, but statistically, there's a profound drop in reported theft after installation, by as much as 80% in some cities. It's not a guarantee, but it's a massive deterrent. If you really want to go next level, get the shield etched with your VIN number or paint it with high-temperature orange paint. It makes resale on the black market basically impossible. That's a pro shop trick some dealers are now offering for an extra $50. And for those weighing the cost, most shields run $150 to $400. That math checks out. Spend the price of a nice dinner or two, save yourself from a $1,000 headache and weeks without a car. In today's world, that's just smart risk management.